Okay, so the next question we have is, if x belongs to minus pi to pi, then we have to find the integral of square root of 1 plus sine x by 2. So basically we have to integrate this part, square root of 1 plus sine x by 2, taking care that x is belonging to minus pi to pi. Okay, so let's see what we can do. The first thing we can write, this part I can write as square root of integral of, this 1 can be written as sine square x by 4 plus cos square x by 4, right? This is nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, and this I can break as sine 2 theta, right? So sine 2 theta I can make it to 2 sine theta into cos theta, right? So this will become 2 sine x by 4 into cos x by 4. Now why I have break this in this form? There is some benefit to it. This will become in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? And that is nothing but I can write in the next step as sine x by 4 plus cos x by 4 whole square, right? Dx. This square can be cancelled with this square root. So I only now have to integrate sine x by 4 plus cos x by 4 dx, right? Now the integral of sine x by 4 I can write it as minus of cos x by 4, and there will be 1 by 4 in the denominator, so better I am not writing in denominator, I am writing in the numerator only, right? So this will go ahead, and plus cos, this will become 4 sine x by 4. Now if I want to write, I can change the places, sine x by 4 minus 4 times of cos x by 4, and c will come here, c will come here. Now I can take the common as 4 as common. This can written as sine x by 4 minus cos x by 4 and plus c, right? So this will be the final answer, right? Because we know sine x upon a, this will become cos x upon a, this will correct, right? So this will come as 4 times of sine x by 4 minus cos x by 4 plus c.